We were born in New Brunswick with the opportunity to provide environmental services. We are Canadian pioneers in implementing in situ soil and groundwater remediation services in hydrocarbon contaminated sites across our country, the US, and some other international destinations. We assess, design, manufacture, and operate our technologies. And with over 30 years of experience, SCG can help your industry navigate your remedial needs and customize water treatment systems. We work in oil and gas, mining, nuclear, military, land development projects, municipalities, and are expanding to new horizons. We are a small team, but are mighty in what we do, in how we do it, and how we serve our clients.